Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some items that you can choose in your summer 2021 FabFitFun box. Let's get started with this Corkcicle 12-ounce wine tumbler and the silicone straw. So this, I don't know why I'm tapping it like this. This was made with wine in mind, but you can use it for any drink you like. This will keep your drinks cold for 9+ hours and it'll keep your drinks hot for 3+ hours. It's also triple insulated and BPA free. I've been really into making mixed drinks like a margarita. I would put a margarita in here, or I feel like a Moscow Mule would be really good in here because it would keep it cold. And then the straw is optional, so you can use it with the straw or you can drink it without one. Let us know what your favorite mixed drink is in the comments. Next we have the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This eliminates oil, sweat, and odor so that you look fresh and clean. So it also delivers a fresh scent throughout the day, so smell test. Gotta shake it up. Let's see. It smells so light and so fresh and so clean, actually. I really like it. I want like a candle in this smell. I'm just gonna go around the house spraying this. My fiance is gonna be like, what are you doing? How you're gonna use it is you wanna shake it up really good, then you wanna spray it like 6 to 10 inches away so that it's not right next to your hair. Then once it's on your hair, you're gonna let it soak in, do its thing, and then massage it into your hair so that the residue is not visible, you know? Especially for people with curly hair, because we don't wash our hair every day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days sometimes. It's normally like once a week. So dry shampoo definitely helps get you through the week and looks so good and fresh and clean. Next up, we have the Poolside water resistant pouch. So this is a tie-dye pouch that's both fashionable and functional. So what's cool about this is it has a wristlet, so you can just throw it on your wrist, and then when you open it, the inside is water resistant. So there's another pouch right in here that would be perfect for like throwing in your swimsuits or anything that's wet. It's really nice because it's actually really big, so you can put like sunscreen in here, you could put snacks in here, you could put little toiletries in here, literally whatever you want. It's gonna fit in this bag. Super cute prints. Love it. All right, so this is the Baublebar Build Your Own Bracelet Kit. So this set comes with a bunch of colorful beads that allow you to make up to 4 different bracelets. And what I like about these is that you can do a ton of different options. So you can make like a really fun, colorful bracelet, or you could have one with less colors and a little bit more refined looking. What's really nice about this is that we can reduce our screen time. So instead of coming home, going on the TV, going on your computer, you can actually just relax and do some activities with your family at home. Okay, so there are 2 types of string. There's this gold string and then clear string as well. So you can choose what you want the actual string to be. Next we have the AG Hair Care Recoil Curl Activator. This is nice because it defines your curls, gets rid of frizz, and you can also use it in high humidity places and it won't leave your hair too stiff or sticky. Okay, so how this works is it actually shrinks your hair cuticle, so it fights frizz and it keeps your hair really strong. So what you're gonna do is use a small amount and scrunch it in your hair, and then you can air dry or use a diffuser and you'll get really beautiful frizz-free curls. Okay, so let's test it out. Oh my god, wait, it actually smells really good. Like fresh and fruity, like lemony, citrus. I'm not a smell expert, but that's kind of like what I'm getting. My hair's kind of frizzy, so I really need this. Next we have the Malin+Goetz Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. So this is a residue-free moisturizer that helps balance and moisturize the skin. This is gonna be great for all skin types, especially if you have sensitive skin. It's also great pre-makeup or to use as an aftershave. Let's do a test. So, I'm gonna put this on my fingers. All right, first things first, smell test. I'm getting very light, smelly smells. I like it. It's not too much, which I feel like is good, especially if you have sensitive skin. You don't want to have like a lot of fragrance. Okay, now let's texture test. Oh yeah, this is nice. It's very creamy, very thick. Next we have the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen in SPF 40. So this is a weightless, invisible, scentless sunscreen that leaves a velvety finish. You can use this as a primer under foundation or on its own for a more natural look. This is good for all skin types, and what's particularly great about it is it doesn't leave a white cast on your skin. All right, so let's try this out. Very velvety, almost watery, like not heavy at all. You wouldn't be annoyed with this all over your face. So I plan on using this a lot for the beach. I live in LA, so every time I go out to the beach or like take Sage on a walk, it's Sage's first summer, so we're gonna be doing a lot of outdoor activities together, so I'm gonna be using this every single day, without a doubt. Okay, so these are throwbacks, so if you didn't get a chance to snag these last time, now's your chance. They are the Nectar Blue Light Blocking Glasses in Tortoise. Professor Shamira here to let you know what these do, because I got 50 times smarter every time I put these on. Dad joke, okay. So these minimize your exposure to blue light, which can cause eye fatigue and also disrupt your sleep. It has this round frame and then this tortoise shell color, so it's really flattering. It'll look good with a ton of different outfits, a ton of different face shapes. It'll look good on everyone, and it just makes you look really chic. You know what this reminds me of? It honestly, it reminds me of that meme with all the math equations, like, fun fact is you can actually recite all the numbers of pi as soon as you put on these glasses. Example, 3.14, and so forth. I don't wanna intimidate everyone by doing it right now, but I can do it. This is Sage. She's gotten so much bigger since her last customized close-up. She's the happiest she's ever been. All right, thank you so much for watching. That is all for this customized category. And if you're not already a member, make sure that you sign up at www.fabfitfun.com, and we will see you guys next season. Bye.